afternoon, students. Welcome to 10th class English. That is first supplementary lesson, Reserve Island, that has been deleted. Don't take tension about the first lesson, that is deleted for your syllabus. So shall we go for the second lesson, that is Karna. It has been written by C. Rajagopalachari. You know the story of Karna if you have seen the Mahabharata epic. So both the epics has been telecasted on the television at the time of lockdown, both Ramayana and Mahabharata. I don't know whom you have seen the epic of Mahabharata. So many episodes they have been telecasted daily. So here this is a complete story of Karna. You all know who is Karna. Karna is the eldest son of Pandavas. He is a son of Kunti. But at the birth of Karna, he got that is the armor, Kavach Kundal. Armor, that is called armor. With the blessing of sun, he has been took birth on the earth. Armor, that is Kavach. Kavach word has been used in the Mahabharata. So, after the birth of Karna, Kunti is still unmarried. Some that is story is there with the boon of the sun god. She asked something and there is a birth of a Karna, but she is unmarried because with the fear of the society that she is unmarried and she has given birth to the Karna. That is the reason Karna has been, is a small boy after the birth, has been put in a box and it has been lived, the box has been lived in the river. At the birth only he had that Kavach. पैदा होने कवच से ही पैदा हो गए थे वो, आर्मर से ही पैदा हो गए. That sun figure is there on that Kavach. So the box has been floated in the river and it has seen by a chariot, that is Adhiratha. एक चैरियट में देखते वो बॉक्स को अधिरथा एंड राधा. So that is the reason he has been called as Radhe. The chariot got that box and they opened that. They didn't have the children. वो chariot को बच्चे नहीं थे. So उन्होंने कर्णा को पाल पोस के बड़ा किए. उसका नाम क्या था? राधेय था. He is the son of Radha and Adhiratha. So he has been called as a Radheya. So at the time, one side, all the Kauravas and Pandavas, they are learning the science of archery from the Guru. That is, first they learn from the Kripacharya and afterwards from the Dronacharya. Guru Dronacharya. The Karna, he is also belongs to the Kuru Vamsha. So he wants to learn the archery. So he went with Guru Dronacharya to teach him a science of archery. उन्होंने गुरु द्रोणाचार्य के पास जाते मुझे भी आर्चरी सभी विद्या सीखने के लिए, बट गुरु द्रोणाचार्य ने रिजेक्ट कर लेते वहां पे. गुरु द्रोणाचार्य रिजेक्टेड टू teach the science of archery. So he came back and challenged that so Guru Dronacharya replied that I am having a right to teach the all these to the only the princess. So you are a son of chariot. So you are a सुपुत्र. So I can't teach you. तो मैं आपको सिखा नहीं सकता. So at the same time he challenged to the Guru Dronacharya that you are teaching to all your students. तो उससे भी मैं चैलेंज कर रहा हूं कि मैं उससे भी I am going to become a brave from your student. So at the same time Guru Dronacharya has given a name. He is none other than but he is a Karna. वहां उधर ही गुरु द्रोणाचार्य ने बता देते कि ये कोई भी नहीं है, इसका नाम क्या है, राधेय नहीं है, इसका नाम तो है कर्णा. His name was Karna. So he went with very sad, and afterwards he went to the Parshurama, Guru Parshurama, and he learned the Brahmastra. One day when Guru Parshurama, he learned from the Guru Parshurama. He told that he was not a son of Chariot, he belongs to Brahmana. At that time, Brahmanas are going to be learn the science of archery. All this education. So he told that I am a Brahman, and he learned the Brahmastra also. So after learning, one day he sat under the tree, and the Guru Parshurama he slept under the thigh, on the thigh of the Karna, the scrap which has been bited to the Karna. वो आके कर्णा को काट देता है. The blood was flowing on that time. So Guru Parshurama woke up and saw that the blood was flowing, and he suddenly said that you are not a Brahmin. So he gave a curse that whenever you are in necessary, this Brahmastra you are going to forget. तो तुरंत उन्होंने श्राप दिए कि जब भी तुमको ये ब्रह्मास्त्र का नेसेसरी रहता तब तुम भूल जाते हो. So this is the श्राप curse which has been got from the Guru Parshurama. क्यों गुरु परशुरामा ने इतना बड़ा कर्स दिए कि इन्होंने झूठ बोल देता. He is a son of a chariot, सुपुत्र रहता ये तो क्या बता देता कि he is a Brahmin. So that is the reason Guru Parshurama in anguish he told that whenever you are in necessary you are going to forget this Brahma. So after that let us see what had given in your book. So one day it came to know from the Krishna. If you have seen Mahabharata means you will get to know. One day he came to know that he is the eldest son of Pandavas. Pandavas, the Pandu, who had two wives, that is Kunti and Madri. Kunti and Madri. Madri के बच्चे तो नकुल and सहदेव थे. नकुल and सहदेव. कुंती के तो तीन थे, युधिष्ठिर, भीम and अर्जुन. पहले के जन्म में अर्जुन ब्रह्मा के बेटा था. इसीलिए पूरे खांडवप्रस्थ तो एक फॉरेस्ट था. खांडवप्रस्थ को एक बहुत बड़ा किंगडम बना देते उन्होंने. सो खांडवप्रस्थ भी युधिष्ठिर को ही होना था, इसीलिए दुर्योधन को, इसीलिए युद्ध हो गया. सो ऑल दीज कौरवस दे वांट टू Duryodhan they didn't want to give any kingdom to the Pandavas. That is the reason there is a war between the Kauravas and Pandavas. So Krishna told that he is the eldest son of the Kunti. So at that time he is surprised that he is the eldest, but किसी को भी नहीं बताता उसको पता चलने के बाद भी. So उसके बाद एक दिन कुंती ने बताने का प्रयास करे कि कर्णा को देखने के बाद she is feeling very unhappy. So one day she wants to tell, एक दिन उसको बताने का था कुंती को कि कर्णा मेरा ही बेटा है बोल. One day she explained that he is the son of Pandavas. He is the eldest son of the Pandavas. तो एक दिन कुंती बता देती कि वो अपना ही सबसे बड़ा बच्चा है. तो कर्णा was very angry on कुंती. तब तुमने कहा गई थी जब मैं अरेना which has been arranged, वही है तुम्हारे लेसन में. तब तो आपने पहचाने होगे मुझे with that आर्मर से ही मुझे पहचाने होंगे कि मैं ही आपका पुत्र हूँ. तब क्यों नहीं बताया तुमने? तभी मुझे सब लोग क्या बता रहे थे, सूत पुत्र बोल के पुकार रहे थे. I am the son of Acharya. I am not having a right to enter in the arena and fight with Arjuna. So before that, here in your lesson, there is arena. Arena means after the Kauravas and Pandavas learning whatever the education they have been learned from Guru Dronacharya and from the Guru Kripacharya. Kripacharya is the full Guru. Kripacharya. Afterwards they learned from the Dronacharya. सब पूरा एजुकेशन खत्म होने के बाद एक दिन बहुत ही बड़ा परफॉर्मेंस सभी के कौरवास और पांडवा के परफॉर्मेंस के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अरेना कंडक्ट करेंगे. सो एवरीवन दे हैव टू परफॉर्म व्हाटएवर दे हैव बीन लर्न्ड. जो कुछ भी इतना दिन उन्होंने सीख लिए, सीखने के खत्म होने के बाद सभी वहां पे अपने क्या अपनी किस में प्रवीणता है. सो दैट हैज बीन टेलीकास्टेड ऑन द अरेना. वो सब कहाँ बता रहे थे उस अरेना में. लेट अस सी. द पांडवास एंड कौरवास लर्न द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ आर्म्स फर्स्ट फ्रॉम कृपाचार्य एंड फ्रॉम द्रोणा. A day was fixed for the test and exhibition of their proficiency in their use of arms in the presence of royal family, and as the public had also been invited to witness the performance of their beloved princess, there was a large and enthusiastic crowd. This has been arranged for the performances of their princess maybe Kauravas and Pandavas. So lot of crowd is there. बहुत भीड़ थे वहां पे. सभी को देखना था कि सबसे बलिष्ठ कौन है यहाँ पे. Who is the most intelligent here? Everyone they are going to perform. So लोगों को भी जज करना था कि आगे का राजा कौन होगा. प्रेजेंटली तो कौन था? धृतराष्ट्र. आफ्टर धृतराष्ट्र who may be the king of हस्तिनापुर. धृतराष्ट्र के नेक्स्ट हस्तिनापुर के राजा कौन होगा, तो कौन बलिष्ठ राजा होगा, ये तो सभी लोगों को देखने का था. So there was a large and enthusiastic crowd. Arjuna displayed superhuman skill with his weapon, and the vast assemblage was lost in wonder and admiration. Duryodhana's brow was dark with envy and hate. So everyone has performed. You have seen in the Mahabharata. Everyone performed. Duryodhana, Nakula, Sahadeva, Yudhishthira, Duryodhana, Dushasana, everyone performed. But at last Arjuna, it is declared that Arjuna is a superhuman. सबसे श्रेष्ठ कौन हो गया यहाँ पे? अर्जुना हो गया. Duryodhana's bro was dark with envy and hate. It is declared that Arjuna तो सबसे बलिष्ठ हो गया. ये डिक्लेयर होने के बाद दुर्योधना को बहुत ही गुस्सा आया यहाँ. At the close of the day, there came suddenly from the entrance of the arena a sound. ये तो अंत होने के लिए आया था, तो वहां पे एक जोर से एंट्रेंस से एक थंडर के जैसा शब्द आने लगा. लाउड एंड कॉम्पेलिंग लाइक थंडर, मिंचू गुड़गु थंडर. द साउंड मेड बाय द स्लैपिंग ऑफ माइटी आर्म्स इन चैलेंज. ऑल आईज टर्न इन दैट डायरेक्शन. उतना जोर साउंड होने के बाद सभी वो उस तरफ देखने लगे. दे सा एंटर थ्रू द क्राउड. एक आदमी पूरे क्राउड से एंट्री हो रहे थे. Which made way in sweat silence, God-like youth. भगवान के जैसा था वो. From whom light and power seemed to emanate. चलते ही उसके लाइट आ रहा था. He looked proudly around him. Cast a negligent salute to Dronacharya and Kripa. Drona and Kripacharya. He had saluted the Dronacharya and Kripacharya and stood up to Arjuna. अर्जुना के सामने खड़ा हो गया. एक दिन गुरु द्रोणाचार्य को चैलेंज करा था उन्होंने. Whatever you are going to teach to your students, I will become more powerful than that. जो कुछ भी आपने सिखा रहे अपने स्टूडेंट्स को, उससे भी बलिष्ठ मैं हो जाऊंगा एक दिन. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू प्रूव दैट. उसको वो प्रूव करने का था. द ब्रदर ऑल अनअवेयर बाय द bitter irony of fate of their common blood faced one another, for it was a karma. They are from the common blood, faced one another, but they don't know that he is one of the brother of Pandavas. He is no one, he is a Karna. वो दूसरे कोई भी नहीं थे. कौन थे वो? Karna. Karna addressed Arjuna in a voice deep as rumbling thunder. Arjuna, I shall show greater skill than you have displayed. जो कुछ भी स्किल आपने अभी दिखाया है, उससे तो I shall show greater skill. उससे भी ग्रेटर स्किल मैं यहाँ पे दिखाऊंगा. With Drona's leave, means with Dronacharya's permission, Karna, the lover of battle, is the lover of battle. Then and there duplicated all Arjuna's feats with careless ease. Great was Duryodhana's exultation. He threw his arms around Karna. Duryodhana, he threw his arms around Karna. Welcome, O you with mighty arms, whom good fortune has sent to you. किसने भेजा है आपको यहाँ पे? I and this kingdom of Kurus are at your command, said Karna. I and this kingdom of Kurus are at your command, said Karna. Karna said like this, I, Karna, I am grateful, O king. Only two things I seek, your love and single combat with Partha. दो ही मुझे होना है यहाँ पे. The love and Partha means Arjuna. I want to fight with Arjuna. एक तो क्या है, मुझे एक आपका प्यार चाहिए और एक I want to fight with the Arjuna. Partha means Arjuna. I want to fight with Arjuna and I want to show greater skill than Arjuna. दो ही बताने का है यहाँ पे मुझे. So I want to show that I am greater than Arjuna. So the combat is between Arjuna and Karna here. Karna and Arjuna. Here Arjuna wants to show greater than the Karna. So the Karna wants permission from Guru Dronacharya and Kripacharya. So Duryodhana claps Karna against of his Vasu. My prosperity is all time. Time means this is the old form. Time means you. Time means you. My prosperity is all you to enjoy. You, time means this is the old form. Old form of English we can say. As love flooded Duryodhana's heart, even so did blazing wrath fill Arjuna, who felt affronted and glaring fiercely at Karna, who stood stately as a mountain peak, receiving the glittering of the Kauravas' brothers, he said. So he stood before the Arjuna. So he wants to prove that he is powerful than Arjuna. So he told that I want to battle with Arjuna. As love flooded Duryodhana's heart, even so did blazing wrath fill Arjuna, who felt affronted and glaring fiercely at Karna, who stood straightly as a mountain peak, receiving the greetings of the Kaurava brothers, he said, O Karna, slain by me, you shall presently go to the hell appointed for those introduced uninvited and prayed unbidden. Karna laughed in scorn. This arena is open to all. Here Guru Dronacharya questioned that this arena is arranged only for the princes. आप कहाँ के राजा हैं? ये अरेना तो ओनली फॉर प्रिंसेस, राजाओं के लिए है. So you are not allowed to perform your education here, whatever you have learned. So this arena is open for all. Karna replied that this arena is open for all. You have seen in Mahabharata, the scene is very, very nice. Karna replied to the Duryodhana that this arena is open for all. Let us see what the Duryodhana is. Guru Dronacharya used to tell here. O Arjuna, and not to you alone. Might is the sanction of sovereignty and the law is based on it. But what is the use of mere talk, which is the weapon of a weak? Shoot arrow instead of words. Don't say with the words. Take your arrow and shoot towards me. Show your intelligence in arrow, not in words. So he questioned to the Arjuna that no, don't say anything, shoot the arrow. Thus challenged Arjuna with Drona's permission. Then Arjuna took the Guru Drona's permission and there is a combat. Combat means battle. There is a battle between the Arjuna and Karna. So Arjuna took the permission of Drona, hastily embraced his brothers and stood ready for the combat. While Karna, so he took embraced his brothers and stood ready for the combat with the Karna. Talking to leave of the Kuru brothers, confronted him weapon in hand. He took the weapon in his hand and now Arjuna is ready to fight with the Karna. And as though the divine parents of the heroes sought to encourage their aspiring and witness this fateful battle, Indra, the lord of the thunderclouds, and the Bhaskara of the infinite rays simultaneously appeared in the heavens. Now the Indra, the god, and the Bhaskara, both they appeared on the heaven. Both they, this scene is very nice, they have shown in the Mahabharata. So both they appear to see that who is most powerful, whether Arjuna or Karna. दोनों में से कौन बहुत पावरफुल है देखने के लिए भगवान भी वहां पे प्रकट हो गए. When she saw Karna, she, who is going to see here, she refers to here Kunti. At the arena, when Kunti saw the Karna, she realized that Karna is the eldest son of Kunti. When she saw Karna, Kunti knew him as her first. As her first means, she came to know that Karna is the first son of mine, that is Kunti. Born and fainted away. Fainted means she felt giddiness there and she is ready to fall down. Vidura. Who is Vidura here? Vidura addressed to the maids. Vidura Mahamantri of the Pandavas. Vidura instructed the maid servant to attend upon her and she revived. Vidura instructed that he is going to disappear there, going to fainted away. So Vidura instructed the maid to have a care about the Kunti. She stood stupefied with anguish, not knowing what to do. At that time, Kunti is not having that much courage to tell that he is the firstborn. As they were about to join in battle, as they were ready to join the battle, Kripa means that is Kripacharya, well versed in the rules of single combat. They know that he is well versed in all the rules of the war. He came to know that there is a combat between the Arjuna and Karna, between them, and addressed Karna. बीच में कृपाचार्य आके he addressed that कृपाचार्य आके Karna को address करे. Let us see what Kripacharya is going to address to the Karna and whether they will fight against the Karna or not. As they were about to join in battle, Kripa, well versed in the rules of a single combat, stepped between them and addressed Karna. दोनों के बीच में आके कृपाचार्य ने बता दिए, this prince who is ready to fight with you, the THEE. THEED means you. This is also old form. This prince who is ready to fight with you, that is Arjuna, this prince is ready to fight you, he is the prince, is the son of Pritha, means he is the son of Kunti, but and Pandu, Kunti and Pandu, and the scion of the Kuru race. Reveal mighty arm, your parentage and the race rendered illustrious by your birth. It is only after knowing your lineage that Partha can fight with you. For high-born princes cannot engage in single combat with unknown adventures. There is a fight between the Arjuna and Karna, between the Guru, that is Kul Guru. Kripacharya gave addressed to the Karna that the prince is a prince he is the son of Pandu and Kunti. What about your parentage? Who you are? आप किसके पुत्र हो? Whether you are a king or you are a prince? So the great Kripacharya asked a question to the Karna. First give your introduction. पहले आप तो कौन है उसके बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन दे दो. Your parentage, who your parents are, you are the son of. After that you are given permission to fight with the Arjuna because you know that Arjuna is a prince. तो तुमको तो पता है अर्जुना क्या है, एक प्रिंस है, एक राजा है, इसके पांडु और कुंती के पुत्र है. So what about you? This has been said by the Kripacharya. Let us see in the next class what will happen, whether they are going to fight each other or not. Thank you.